Today I wanted to show you air hose balancers that are used with pneumatic tools. You can suspend pneumatic tools on them. Three of them are made by Tecna and one by Zeca. This one here, an interesting one. So instead of a cable or rope, you actually have a hose that comes out of the retractor. They come in four different models with capacity ranging from just under a pound all the way to 11 pounds. And the cable travel, the hose stroke on it is around 4.5 feet. Now, these are regular retractors, but we have these coil hoses that you can mount on them. So they come with the mounting brackets you put on the retractor, and you attach the hose to it. We also include these push to connect air fittings with a 1/4-inch thread at the end. You can attach any air plug or a coupler to that. This particular series of balancers, 9320 to 9323, they come with a capacity from 2.2 pounds to almost 18 pounds with a cable travel of 6.6 feet. The smaller retractor here, the series 931, goes from 1/2 pound to 6.6 pounds across four different models, with a stroke cable travel of 5.2 feet. A similar solution, we have a coil hose that you can attach to the balancer, to the retractor with these mounting brackets. Again, we have push to connect fittings that go with them. And then lastly, the Zeca retractor, similar solution, very similar specs to this one here. Same stroke, same capacities across a number of models, and you have this coil hose that you can attach to it. It also comes with air fittings or push to connect fittings, and you can connect your pneumatic tool to that, whether it's on an assembly line for pneumatic screwdrivers, or you can use it for nail guns. These are good for nail guns, especially the heavier ones. We also have a number of different suspension kits for nail guns. These yellow cables. This one is a little longer, and a shorter one for smaller nail guns. Specifically to nail guns, we also have these custom-made suspension kits or suspension brackets that you attach at the top of the nail gun, and you feed the hose through here with the air fittings at the end. You can suspend it through this hole, just attaching the balancer here, and it provides a great solution for any sort of pallet nailing, or any sorts of wood assembly